Yeah, I'm building the skull to go on the carburetor of my rat rod. Going to make it kind of like the dead terrorist with moving eyeballs, and the jaw opens and closes with eyebrows that goes up and down. I'm gonna name it the Dead Redneck. Here's what I got so far. I cut out a pattern, started shaping up some metal. Got the teeth done. As you see, it's gonna have a couple teeth missing, which we need that because it's gonna be a redneck. But anyway, this is the start. Yeah, I took my Lincoln Handy MIG. That's another view up. Welded these bottom teeth. Top teeth. Right there. Bottom jaw. There's the template I use. Gonna mount something like that. Wabow, wabow, wabow. Alright, it's kind of crude, but it works. Got the eyebrows, got the eyeballs. We're getting there. Oh, I also made him a hat. Gonna look something like that.